Brayford! Did the Brayford! Guys, at Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln with Golden Joe. Come on then. There we go. Now, the time now is 19:59. Sorry, on Friday the 30th of October 2015. This is for our 2007 to Papa 80. Yeah, 2007 to Papa 81 Northern Service from Sheffield. She'll be coming that way. Joe, for the very first time you caught this crossing to the Brayford. It just did the Brayford. Oh, here she is. Oh, that's Lincoln Cathedral just chiming. Oh, well, here she comes. We've got. Bless you. Bless you. Nice costume. She's wearing a nice costume. She's wearing a mask. Right, we've got. One 1440002. 1440002 from Sheffield and. Timer.
Ah, shit.
They go. Let's go to the next video.